we have here tonight in our little containers is baking soda and a food coloring.
Yeah, but you can't see it now.
You can't see the food coloring, can you?
That's the secret part.
Yep. And then what do you think is in that jar?
Water.
It's not water. Vinegar.
Vinegar.
Yep. So there's baking soda and vinegar. What do you think is going to happen when you put the vinegar in each of those containers?
With blood.
You think so? Okay, let's try it. Yeah, keep putting it in. 1, 2, 3.
It's gonna be fun. I know it.
Put a little more in. What's happening?
It's bubbling. It's fun. Bubbling!
Keep putting it in. Hey, science girl, what is yours doing?
Shut up. I'm having. Yeah.
Okay, looks like you need more vinegar. What did it do?
Change and colors.
What color is it doing?
What? Green. Yellow. It's like floating. 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 Huh.
Good job.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Good job.
That one?
What do you think of that? Was that pretty fun?
Yeah. How do you do it?
Here you go, Riley.
It's a chemical reaction. If you put vinegar with baking soda, it explodes.